Have you ever noticed that your mind believes whatever you tell it the most? Not what's true, not what's logical, but what's repeated. Today, I want to share a truth that can completely transform your life. You become what you repeatedly tell yourself. If you want to change your life, you must repeat who you want to become. Not once, not twice, but every single day. Most people try to change their habits, their goals, their results, but they never change the one thing that controls everything, their identity. You can try to wake up early, but if you believe you're not a disciplined person, you'll hit snooze. You can try to think positive, but if you believe you're unlucky, you'll expect the worst. You can try to be confident, but if you believe you're not enough, you'll shrink. Your identity is the engine behind your behavior, and identity is built through repetition. What you repeat, you become. Your brain is like a mirror. It reflects what you show it the most. If you repeatedly say, "I can't," "I'm weak," "I'm not good enough," your brain makes it your truth. But if you repeatedly say, "I am capable," "I am becoming stronger," "I am the type of person who grows," your brain begins rearranging your thoughts, habits, and actions to match that identity. This is not magic, it's neuroscience. Your brain believes repetition more than reality. So, repeat who you want to become. Not, "I want to be confident," but "I am becoming a confident person." Not, "I want to be disciplined," but "I am a disciplined human being." Not, "I want success," but "I am the kind of person who succeeds." When you repeat these identity statements every day, your thoughts begin to shift. And when your thoughts shift, your actions shift. And when your actions shift, your entire life shifts. Repeat who you want to become until the world has no choice but to believe you. Let me tell you a simple story. There were two people who wanted to quit smoking. Both were offered a cigarette. The first person said, "No thanks, I'm trying to quit." Their identity? A smoker trying to change. The second person said, "No thanks, I'm not a smoker." Their identity? A non-smoker, permanently. Guess who quit successfully? Identity wins, every single time. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your identity. That's why repeating who you want to become is not motivation. It's identity training. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and repeat, "This is who I am becoming." Here are 5 powerful identities to repeat daily. 1. I am disciplined. You might not feel disciplined yet. That doesn't matter. Identity comes first, feelings follow later. 2. I am focused. Say it even if your mind is noisy. 3. I am confident. Say it even if your hands shake. 4. I am getting better every day. Progress beats perfection. 5. I am capable of creating the life I want. Say it until it becomes a belief that becomes a habit that becomes a lifestyle. Repeat it in the morning, repeat it at night, repeat it when you fail, repeat it when you rise. Let your repetition become your identity. So today, choose your identity. Who do you want to become? A confident person, a disciplined person, a successful person, a peaceful person, a stronger version of yourself? Start repeating it. Your life does not change when the year changes. Your life changes when your identity changes. And identity changes through repetition. Remember this. You don't become what you dream of. You become what you repeat. Repeat who you want to become until you become it.